Hi, my beautiful ladies. I am so happy to have you here with me. Last week, we saw 10 tips that can really help you to avoid using bad oils for your hair if you want to have healthy, long, beautiful hair. And if you have not yet seen the video, the link is in the description box below. Today, we are going to see what could be the best oil for your hair. The best hair oil for your hair type depends on your hair's texture, porosity, and specific needs. Here's a breakdown to help you choose the right oil for your natural hair. For low porosity hair, if you have a low porosity hair, low porosity hair has tightly packed cuticles, making it resistant to moisture absorption. This means if your hair does not absorb moisture or water easily, it is considered to be of low porosity. In this case, lightweight oils that don't sit on the surface of the hair are ideal for your hair. The best oils are argan oil. This oil is lightweight and non-greasy. It hydrates without buildup. Jojoba oil. This oil closely mimics natural sebum, easily absorbed by the scalp and hair. Grapeseed oil. This oil is light and perfect for sealing and moisture. So if you have a low porosity hair, you also need to use oil sparingly and apply them to deep hair to avoid buildup. Now, if you have high porosity hair is different from low porosity hair. High porosity has open cuticles, which absorb moisture quickly but lose it just as fast. Heavier oils that seal in moisture are best. For example, castor oil. This oil is thick and excellent for locking in moisture. Shea butter. This butter is rich in nutrients and creates a protective barrier. Olive oil. This oil penetrates deeply and adds moisture and shine. And you can layer the oils over a water-based leave-in conditioner to retain moisture. This is a tip to help you if you have high porosity hair. Now, if you have fine or thin hair, lightweight oils prevent weighing down fine hair while still providing nourishment. And the best oils for you are sweet almond oil, camellia oil, jojoba oil. Of course, you can use other oils, but these are just a few examples, okay? Sweet almond oil adds shine and softens without heaviness. Camellia oil is lightweight and great for detangling. Jojoba oil conditions hair without making it greasy. And a tip for you is to focus on the ends rather than the scalp to avoid looking oily. This is important. Now, if you have thick or coarse hair, and this is generally the case for a lot of curly girls, thicker oils can penetrate and coat coarse hair, providing the necessary hydration and protection. And the best oils for you to use are, again, these are just some examples: coconut oil, avocado oil, and baobab oil. Coconut oil can help people with thick or coarse hair because it deeply penetrates and strengthens the hair. Avocado oil is rich in vitamins, perfect for nourishing thick hair, and baobab oil provides intense moisture and reduces dryness. And a tip for you is to use one of these oils as part of a pre-poo or deep conditioning treatment. Now, if you have dry or damaged hair benefits from oils that repair and strengthen the hair shaft. And the best oils also we have coconut oil, argan oil, marula oil, and also olive oil. Coconut oil repairs protein loss and reduces damage. Argan oil rich in antioxidants to protect and restore hair. Marula oil hydrates and smooths damaged hair cuticles. And a tip for you is to use these oils as a hot oil treatment weekly for deeper repair. And if you have oily scalp and dry ends, you need to balance the scalp's oil production while hydrating the ends. And the best oils for you are tea tree oil, peppermint oil, grapeseed oil. Tea tree oil regulates scalp oiliness and reduces dandruff, and peppermint oil stimulates the scalp and balances sebum, and grapeseed oil hydrates without clogging pores. And a tip for you is to focus on heavier oils like castor or coconut oil on the ends while using lighter oils or essential oils on the scalp. But do not forget to dilute your essential oils before using them. If you want to promote hair growth, and I know that this is something that a lot of us, if not all of us, want, you need to use oils that stimulate the scalp and nourish hair follicles to enhance growth. And the best oils are castor oil, rosemary oil, and peppermint oil. Again, you need to see what oil is best for your hair. For example, castor oil is known for promoting thicker, faster growing hair. Rosemary oil improves scalp circulation and stimulates growth. And peppermint oil awakens hair follicles and encourages growth. And a tip for you is to massage these oils or one of these oils into your scalp regularly for the best results. Now, for preventing frizz, if you want to prevent frizz, you need to use smoothing oils to help seal the cuticle and reduce frizz, especially in humid conditions. And the best oils for you are argan oil, baobab oil, and macadamia oil. Argan oil tames frizz and adds shine. Baobab oil keeps hair smooth and manageable, and macadamia oil moisturizes and reduces frizz effectively. One thing that is important is for you to choose your oils carefully and to make sure that you are using good oils for your hair. And in the description box below, there is the link to the video that is going to help you see how you can avoid using bad oils for your hair. If you already find the perfect oil for your hair type or your hair needs, you can share with me in the comment section. You know, by sharing, we always can learn from one another. And I love to learn from other women's experience with their hair. I hope the tips I share with you will help you to better choose your hair oils according to your hair needs. Feel free to ask any question you have in the comment section. I want you to have the most beautiful, healthy hair that you can have, okay? Please always remember that your hair, your curly hair, your kinky hair is absolutely beautiful. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Take care, my beautiful ladies.